Guys, Lewis with bathtub refinishing here. Today we're gonna go over how to properly use our BlueWash, our bathtub BlueWash. We're gonna do it on we're gonna do it on a multi-stone on a sink surface here, and we're also gonna take advantage of the hardware here, which has some soap scum and soap residue on it, as well as this glass here. So we're gonna show you how to do this step by step, so that you can properly take care of these areas. Very simple to do. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna apply the BlueWash to the areas. You're gonna saturate it.
And this countertop has actually been multi-stone refinished, right, Lewis?
Absolutely.
Perfect.
All right, the first thing you're gonna apply. Second, you're gonna agitate the surface with the BlueWash. So just go ahead, move this around. Make sure you scrub that surface. We're using a microfiber rag, so we're not damaging or using anything abrasive to use on these surfaces. And just that little bit already, you can already see how it's lifting that grime and creating a shiny, clean surface to the area.
That does look good. I can't wait to see the hardware.
All right.
Wow.
I'm gonna apply a little bit more here.
And if you guys notice, it's just one application.
You're gonna use your first rag to clean and scrub with.
The hardware looks brand new, man.
Here we go on the glass. All right. Now after you use that first rag to wipe everything down and agitate that surface, you'll take a second microfiber rag, which is clean and dry, and then just repeat the process over again by taking all that excess moisture and residue off, revealing a beautiful, clean surface. Very simple, very easy to do. Didn't take me more than a few minutes. This is something we recommend you do at least once a week with our product, just to ensure you're getting the most beautiful visually, and as well as making sure your warranty. Look at that.
Unbelievable. This is really where our product shines, no pun intended, is on the hardware. And then what Lewis did is he did half the mirror. Might not, yeah, you can see it there. You can really see where he wiped that, completely cleaned that surface.
Yeah, shining. Look at that. Beautiful.
And that is no abrasive cleaners or harsh chemicals.
Just a simple wipe, agitate, and you're good to go. And this again is with our BlueWash. What a beautiful outcome. Look at that.
www.bathartrefinishing.com. We could be reached at 800-206-5958, extension 0. Via email bathartfl@yahoo.com, and you could always get us here locally at 407-952-0958.